Welcome! Today we are exploring one of the most dynamic themes of geography, human-environment interaction, HEI. Human-environment interaction examines the ongoing relationship between human societies and the physical ecosystems they inhabit. It answers a fundamental geographic question: how do humans adapt to, modify, and depend on their natural surroundings? Geographers categorize human-environment interaction into three core dimensions. One is dependency, or how humans rely on natural resources for survival, sustenance, and economic growth. Second is adaptation, or how humans change their behavior, architecture, and lifestyle to survive environmental constraints and natural hazards. Third is modification, or how humans actively transform, engineer, and alter the landscape to meet their growing needs. To truly appreciate these three dynamics, we can look directly at the environmental and historical geography of the Philippine archipelago. Let's start with dependency. Throughout Philippine history, human settlement patterns have been dictated by access to water and fertile land. Long before Spanish arrival, early populations settled along major river systems, such as the Pasig River in Luzon, the Cagayan River, and the Agusan River in Mindanao. Rivers provided fresh water, protein from fishing, fertile alluvial soil for agriculture, and natural highway networks for trade. The term Tagalog itself directly originates from Taga Ilog, meaning people from the river. As an archipelago, pre-colonial communities relied heavily on coastal marine ecosystems. Salt making, pearl diving, and boat building, barangay, were directly tied to rich marine biodiversity. This deep dependency created early political centers, barangays, positioned specifically at the intersections of river mouths and coastal bays, showing how physical geography laid the groundwork for human civilization in the islands. Next, let's look at adaptation, how people alter their behavior and technology to fit an unyielding environment. One of the world's greatest historical examples of environmental adaptation is found in the mountains of northern Luzon, the Ifugao rice terraces. Over 2,000 years ago, indigenous communities in the Cordilleras faced a major geographical challenge: steep, mountainous terrain with virtually no flat land for farming, combined with heavy tropical rainfall. Instead of abandoning the mountains, the Ifugao adapted. They hand-carved stone and mud walls along the contours of the mountain slopes, creating terrace steps for wet rice cultivation. They developed an intricate gravity-fed irrigation system that tapped into mountain forests above the fields. Rather than destroying the mountain ecology, this centuries-old adaptation harmonized human agriculture with natural topography, creating a sustainable cultural landscape that survives to this day. Finally, let's address modification, how humans change the natural landscape, often leading to unintended environmental consequences. During the Spanish and American colonial periods, massive environmental modifications took place. Large-scale logging was driven by the demand for hardwood timber, first for constructing galleon ships in naval shipyards, and later for export and expanding agricultural plantations. Centuries of intensive forest clearing drastically altered the country's watershed dynamics and soil stability. In modern history, human modification is clearly visible through land reclamation projects along Manila Bay. Entire urban areas, commercial complexes, and port facilities were built on reclaimed coastal land. While expanding usable space for a crowded megacity, this modification alters natural coastal defense systems, worsens urban flooding, and increases vulnerability to storm surges and sea level rise. These historical modifications illustrate that while humans can re-engineer nature, environmental responses, such as landslides, soil erosion, and severe flooding, frequently force societies back into a cycle of readjustment. To summarize, human-environment interaction is a two-way street. Whether examining pre-colonial river dependency, the adaptive, brilliant engineering of mountain rice terraces, or modern coastal land reclamation, Philippine history demonstrates how the environment shapes human decisions, and how human decisions forever alter the environment.